Anyway, when I was a little girl just dreaming of becoming a singer, talaga po hindi ko akalain maging singer at artista ako. Kala ko po kakanta ako ng mga tatlong kanta, tapos balik na ako sa school, kaasama maging nanay, maging lola, tapos mamamatay. Pero hindi ganun po nangyari. Masyado maraming plano ang Panginoon. So, when I was growing up and really singing all the time sa bahay, idolizing my Mama Helen Gamboa, kapatid ni Mako po, sister of my mom. So this is another duo that I really listen to all the time. My God, I was a fan of this woman's voice. So I'd like to attribute in the form of this medley. This is for all of you, as well as for two of the biggest influences in my singing career. This is free. I've been to so many places in my life and time. I've sung a lot of songs, I've made some that rhyme. I've acted out my life in stages with 10,000 people watching. But we're alone now and I'm singing the song. Talking to myself and feeling down. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays, always get me down. What I thought they used to call the blues, nothing is really wrong.